Okay, so we're back here in the drum room, and I'm going to let y'all hear what each one of these sound like. Okay, these are the standards which come with Pearl drum sets. The clear, single ply, but we may not even be able to tell the difference. I'm curious to see if we do. So bear with me. This is a 10-inch. And here is 12-inch. And now we're going to slide on over to the 16-inch floor tom. You can hear it. And I could put some moon gel on it to muffle it a little bit. You know what? I think I'm going to do that. Just to see some people would have said, just take out your wallet. Heck, my wallet ain't heavy enough. So I got no money in it. So, but I just want to see what this will sound like. I got rid of a lot of it. You can still hear a little bit. Let's go ahead and put the new drum heads on. And then we'll see how those sound. And we'll be able to add, if we have to, which I think we should, add some moon gel on those just to see the difference in the sound. I mean, I probably won't need it, but just to check, you know, so to be fair with everything, you know. Okay, we'll see you in a few. Okay, hey, I don't know if we did this or not. Let's give the new drum head a shake and see what it sounds like. Okay, and see if you hear any difference in it, and we'll try to stick them together. this came with the drum, so but it's pearl. So there's your sounds. I think it sounds pretty good. And I've got t-shirts, by the way, merchandise for sale down the bottom. I'll drop the link in there. And thanks for watching. Stay safe. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.
Yeah.